There is much debate about what is the best view of the falls. The truth is that the best view of the falls is by boat. Macuco Safari offers adventure and fun with safety so that you and your family can get to know the best of Iguazu National Park. Your tour begins with getting on board electric vehicles that run along a 3-kilometer trail through native forest. Along the way, guides explain about the fauna and flora of the Iguazu National Park region, a natural heritage of humanity. To have more direct contact with nature is by walking along a 600-meter trail that passes through Macuco Waterfalls, which is another one of the park's attractions where you can rappel down the waterfalls. The infrastructure available of a souvenir shop, snack bars, and observation decks allow you to enjoy the time even more. Upon arriving at the loading dock, you will receive the equipment necessary for a completely safe adventure, and the trolley helps along the steepest part of the trail. Here we go! The inflatable boats can get very close to the waterfalls, bringing maximum emotion. Nothing compares to behold them from this angle. The power of hundreds of waterfalls, the beauty of the big canyon, the mist in your face, and even the most beautiful details of nature. To fathom the full power of these waters, you have to get closer to them. And for those who like adrenaline, there is also rafting down the river with instructors within an entirely safe infrastructure. Whenever you visit the Iguazu National Park, we will be ready to take you closer to the wonders of nature. Macuco Safari, with you for exciting emotions.